Hello everyone, my name is Thiago. Welcome to our YouTube channel Information Road. Today we're going to continue to explore the job market trends for 2025.
We have very exciting news. Since we work at the biopharmaceutical company Novo Nordisk, we'd like to help to attract best talents to the company. So please visit our official website, Information Road, for more detailed information. But please be aware that we do not speak on behalf of Novo Nordisk and we are not Novo Nordisk representatives. We look forward to helping you. Hi everyone, my name is Irina and today I would like to talk about the job trends in engineering. But before I talk about the trends, I would like to talk a little bit about the opportunities for engineering. In late 2024, the USA Bureau of Labor Statistics released a report on the future of engineering as a career. It indicates that demand on engineering will grow at least 13% through 2031. So why engineering is suddenly one of the hottest career fields? Much of the demands for engineering stems from a need to advance renewable energy technologies. The marketplace and the governments seem ready to embrace alternative energies such as solar, wind, and hydrogen. From improving solar panel efficiency to optimize wind turbine structures, engineers have an opportunity to lead the transition to clean energy. However, sustainability doesn't only mean clean energy. Engineers are also called to design eco-friendly infrastructure, such as energy-efficient buildings, sustainable transportation system, and clearer waste management solutions. Many believe that integrating Internet of Things and artificial intelligence into urban planning can make them a reality. Yet another opportunity for engineers.
In today's video, I'm going to talk about job trends in IT technology such as AI and ChatGPT. The demand for a range of professional skills have changed significantly when ChatGPT was launched in late 2022, according to a new international study. But the picture is complex. A new international study just published in the Journal for Economic Behavior and Organization concludes that the truth lies somewhere in between. AI is taking some jobs, but also creating new jobs in other areas. The study is based on statistical analysis of more than 3 million freelance jobs with the different skills requirements, posted one of the leading freelance job platforms before and after the launch of ChatGPT in late 2022. We can see that the demand for translation, certain writing skills, and symbol programming decreased significantly after the launch of ChatGPT. But at the same time, other skills increased significantly as well. Explains Ole Tillof from the University of Copenhagen, Center for Social Data Science. The message of the study is that these new AI technologies are creating significant changes in the labor market. But so far, we're not talking about these new AI technologies wiping out jobs across the board and making human labor redundant.
And now it's time to talk about the top highest paid engineering jobs in 2025. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I will mention about 3 of them. So here we go. The first one is airspace engineering. Drones, helicopters, aircraft, and spacecraft are all managed by airspace engineering. They use advanced technologies to create devices that are very fast with the maximum speed. Some aerospace engineers work with satellites and rockets for space missions. Others working on the air travel systems. For those who love technology and have a passion for space mission and the aviation project, then this is the best for them. The second one is the nuclear engineers. Nuclear engineers utilize nuclear energy in order to produce the main source, which is electricity or heating. Nuclear engineers, they are of course working to create all these nuclear plants, and at the same time are responsible to maintain and ensure the environmental safety. As a nuclear engineers, you will deal with the medical projects based on the nuclear technologies. And if you would like to or consider to be nuclear engineers, just bear in mind that you will be responsible for maintaining the environmental safety by following very strict guidelines and be responsible to maintain the nuclear development. From my point of view, this is a field is on a higher demand, and you might ask why. It's because one of my family members is working as a nuclear engineer. And the third job career is mechanical engineer. Mechanical engineers can work with the development of mobile equipment and various tools for practical purposes. Mechanical engineers can also work in different sectors such as the aircraft industries, automobile industries, robotics, and heating systems. Using mathematics, physics, and creative thinking, they can resolve different issues. So if you would like to be mechanical engineer, then you will be able to provide learning opportunities together with the development of potential in various areas.
Yes. Johanna Eidler, a PhD student from the University of Copenhagen and the co-author of the study, says, we are potentially facing big changes when we see that over a 2 years period, the number of jobs on offer has fallen by a quarter in the AI exposed areas. Moreover, we have hardly seen the full effect yet, as the freelance sector is affected faster than the rest of the labor market. And now we're going to talk about examples of positive and negative affected skills. For example, negatively affected, which means fewer jobs, writing about us pages, web design with JavaScript, text about real estate, web design, proofreading, translations with Western languages, for example, business analytics, data science and statistics, and positively impacted, which means more jobs, chatbots, creative writing, explainer videos, machine learning or AI, and travel planning. That's all for now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us thumbs up, and check our social media channels, and visit our website by clicking the link below this video. See you in the next videos.
Bye
Bye.